Hello friends, welcome to my channel SQL tutorial. So today we are going to learn insert query. So I have the insert. You can insert in three ways. So we will see that three ways. First, the insert into table name, then values, and pass the value in the order that I have given in the column. It should be first ID, name and description. So after that another insert query is insert into table name, give the column name. You can give in order wise or any order. So the order you have given in the uh, table, the same order you have to give in the value. If you want to insert in specific column and it should be a null, means it should be uh, it should be nullable, so you can skip that column. So you can specify only column here that you want to insert and pass the value. So let's execute it. Just select that you want to execute, then click on the execute, or you can press F5 to execute it. Let's see the result. See, all the three records have been inserted. Now I have to explicitly add the IDs 4, 5, 6. I have added explicitly, so I don't want to add explicitly. So what I will do, I will change the design. Click on the ID parameter, set identification is equal to S, is identity is equal to S, and increment by 1. So it will be increment by 1. If last value is 4, then next value will be 5. Okay, so I will remove this. I don't have to pass ID. See, it take next ID. What if I pass ID? If I am passing ID, let's see the result. See, identity is set increment to 1, so I don't have right to pass the ID. It will take automatically. Okay, and another way is, if you want to if you don't want to write that insert query and if you want to insert directly from the table, in case you want to insert directly from the table, just click on the right click on edit top 200 row, and you can enter here value. Okay, if this name and description is null, if it is not nullable, if I will not pass the name, I will pass only description, then it will throw error because name is not nullable. See, it say that you cannot insert null value in the name, but description is nullable. So it will allow to insert null value in the description table. It is inserted. Okay. Now it skip this value, means after 8 it came 10, because I have run the insert value and it does not insert it, it throw an error, so it skip the value. I hope you understand this video. One thing, if for example I am setting this as no, means I have to explicitly add this uh, row. So if I want to manually add the row, then suppose I have to add 10 rows and name and description should be same, or something like that, class 1, class 2, class 3. So I have to write here 11, then class 4, class 4, and then after I have to write 12, then class 5, class 6. It will take long time. So simple way is just open the Excel file, just take a value and paste here. Okay, now I want 11, then it should be increment by 1, then class 5. Just stretch the record, just copy and paste. So 11 and 12 value was there, so it does not insert it except 11 and 12 it inserted all the value. So if you have any record that is similar to before a previous record, just use the Excel file, write all the data and copy and paste in the SQL file. So it will be time saving for you. I hope you understand this video. You like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Send your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.